Okay, you don't want to just leave your cornhole tables blank. You want to put something cool on them. I've got the Blues logo on this one. Then, I don't know if you can see it, Cardinals logo on that one. I draw them in, hand drawn. So I'm hoping that they'll turn out alright here. If you're not a Blues fan or a Cardinals fan, don't worry about it. You can put whatever team you want on there. Okay, I got it all masked off now. This is probably a little too close to the edges on both of these, so we're going to need to add some paper. And then the first coating is always real light. After you got everything masked off and painted, you got to peel the tape off. You got to do it real slowly. Otherwise you could lift the paint off your design. If you look in here, I had some, kind of make out a little bit, I had some pencil mark in there from where I hand drew it. You gotta be careful. Make sure all that gets covered up. Uh-oh, looks like we're gonna have to touch up this T a little bit. There we go. I hate lifting these off. It's so easy to get a fingernail underneath the paint. Well, there it is. The STL logo. Turned out pretty good. We've got to go around it in white now. Here are both game boards side by side. They need a little detail that I hand paint after the main design has been sprayed. A little yellow and white on this Blues logo really makes it pop. A blue border with a healthy couple coats of shellac makes for a durable finished product. Here are the game boards in action, 4th of July 2017. Regulation distance is 27 feet between each game board. Here is Mo guarding the Blues game board, asking for subscribers and thanking you for watching.